Hi guys, it is Tanish and welcome back to another hair video. This is going to be a really quick video on how I keep my locks perfect. So I really wasn't even planning on making a video about this because I don't know, I really didn't know too much about this tool. I mean, I've heard of this tool, but I didn't think that I could actually do it myself on my own Microlocs. So I'm just gonna let you guys know how I have been fixing my locks. I ordered a couple of crochet hooks off of Amazon, and I basically got two different kinds. I got the wooden crochet hooks, and the only thing that I did was look for the smallest crochet hooks that I could find, and that's how I kind of went about my search, because you know my locks are pretty small, so you really need to get in there. I ordered this Tulip brand. This is 4.0 millimeters. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very tiny, and I ordered these 0.5 millimeter hooks. This one has one. I have one with two and then one with three. So I'm gonna be honest, I did not like these wooden ones. They were really cheap. You get 3 wooden ones, and you get some tightening tools to tighten your locks. They come with 3. And it was only like $9.99 off of Amazon, and I did not like them. They did not work as well as this one. This is about $16 or $17, and this is my second one. My baby girl actually broke this one, and I was a little heartbroken. She like climbed on my desk and jammed it, and it like broke in half. So these are very delicate, so you have to keep them in a safe place. But I already went through my head and corrected all of the problem locks, which I did off camera because I did not plan on making a video on this. So I'm gonna try to find a couple other problem locks. They probably won't be many because I did just go in really quickly and make the corrections. So I'm gonna look for some problem locks off camera, and then I'm gonna come right back and show you guys how to correct your own locks. I found one, but I'm just gonna explain the difference, or kind of like how I've been correcting them based on like what I think. And disclaimer, I'm not a loctician. I'm just trying to have perfect locks. That's all. So this right here is pretty I guess rope-like. I don't know how to explain it. It's not squishy. There's like no air inside, like I can't squish it. So I feel like this right here is locking normally. You can see where it's did all of the, what is it? I don't even know the lock terminology. Budding. It's budded and everything. And then of course there's still like the 2-strand twist on the ends. So this right here is pretty normal, but I had some other ones with a lot of, I think it was bunching. I don't know, it could have been just normal locking, but they just were not cute. And like I said, these are DIY Microlocs, and I want them to look nice in the end. So these right here, it could just be normal budding. This right here I feel like is bunching. This right here just could be normal, but I'm going to, even if it is normal, I'm going to correct that because I don't want lumps and bumps in my locks. So I'm going to take my tool and, oh, this is the broken one. The writing, this is supposed to face toward you. So I face it towards me because that's where the little hook is. You guys will not be able to see the little hook. I know my camera won't pick it up. I think I lost my lock. Oh no. Hold on, let me find it. I found some different locks. So let me push this rubber band down. So if you guys can see, this right here, it doesn't look normal to me. I feel like that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to attempt to correct this. And these in the front. This right here, to me, it seems like it has bunched. Remember, the side with the writing is facing me because that's where the hook is. All right, put my mirror a little bit closer. I think I'm gonna look toward my mirror. So what I'm going to do is this lump right here, I'm going to take in my fingers. I'm going to go through. I'm going to go in and out while twisting together in my fingers. So I'm twisting, you guys, I don't know if you can see. And I'm moving the hook in and out, kind of like up and down, sideways, like any direction that the needle will go. I'm kind of pushing it in that direction. Now I'm starting to move down the lock. And you kind of have to be very gentle because this hook is really good. I really like it compared to the other ones. But it's a little pricey just to, you know, accidentally break like my baby did. So be careful. Kind of take your time. This isn't something that you want to rush through. So if I'm being honest, I've fallen more in love with my hair now that I have gone through and corrected a lot of the larger locks. Now they may have corrected themselves later on in the line. That just could be a part of the locking process, but like I said, these are DIY and I'm taking no chances. And this little needle really gets in there really good. So I mean, the other needles, they'll get the job done, but be careful how you remove it too. They get the job done, but they're just not as good as this one. So if you guys have like a good crochet needle as well that you use to correct your locks, let me know, because I need more than one, and I'm gonna keep these brown ones as backup, but I'm all for like good quality things, especially when it comes to my hair. So I'm not done, but you can already see like the difference. Oh, that's just amazing. Look at the difference. So I'm gonna come right here. I'm probably going to do the rest of them off camera because I mean with this there's like not too much to explain. It's like you're twisting the hair and you're just moving in and out, up and down, sideways, any direction that the needle will let you go. Okay, so let's see. And it's so easy to do. Okay, here is the finished lock. You guys see the difference? All right, you guys, I broke my needle again. Well, the first time I didn't break, my baby broke it, but the needle broke again. So I don't know that I'm going to, this is really good. It really gets in like the really small areas and it's really easy to pull in and out. I really like this one, but I think the size that I have is too small. So what I'm gonna do is order a bigger size. I might go up to the 0.5 millimeter because this is just too fragile for my hair. So overall, I'm very pleased with learning about this. This isn't new, but it's new to me, but I'm very glad that I found out about these crochet needles to correct your locks. So that is pretty much all for this video. I just wanted to inform you guys about the new tools. I have been going through my hair and pretty much making the corrections. My locks are looking very nice at this point. I'm very happy with my progress. I get so many compliments. The next steps for my locks, I am going to combine this front little section right here to the lock behind it, because these are going, oh, which reminds me, I lost a lock. I need to show you guys. Hold on. Here's a lock that I lost. So if you guys don't know, when I did these locks, I was pregnant, and then I went through the whole postpartum. I mean, I really knew that I would not shed a lot of hair based on my previous baby, but each pregnancy is different or whatever. I did not lose a lot of hair. I lost a little bit of hair around the edges, as I did with my first pregnancy. So these little locks around the edges, they are really not thriving. They are struggling. Well, not this one. This one I believe I combined already. They're just really struggling around the edges. So I'm just going to combine them to the lock behind them. Oh, I lost my lock. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. So yeah, this is basically what happens when your lock does not have a strong base. You guys have heard me say that I don't like I wish I would have did my locks a little bit bigger, especially around the perimeter of my head, only on the front, not in the back. So yeah, this is what happens when you don't have a strong base. So I'm gonna save this. I'm not gonna reattach it. I don't even know where it went anymore. If you guys did not watch my previous video, I am going live for my 18-month lockiversary, so make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on, because we are going to have some lock talk. I'm gonna share everything I've learned throughout these 18 months, everything I wish I would have did different, my opinion on how you should start your own locks, whether it be, you know, XYZ. I just don't want to get into it right now, but I will discuss it on that live chat. It's going to be very interactive. I am looking for one moderator. I'm really excited about going live with you guys. Start thinking of questions you guys want to ask me. You can ask me things that extend beyond my lock, like about my personal life, why I'm not teaching anymore. I did finalize my resignation. That was a little, I don't know, I'm still in my feelings about it, but I'm happy at the same time. So, you know, it'll just be like an open discussion for us. Hopefully I will see you guys in that video. Hopefully you found the information in this video useful for making your locks look perfect. And one more thing, my shirt, I made it myself. So I will have the information linked below on how to purchase this shirt. Also, I'm gonna have another batch of shirts with this locked, and then I'm gonna have like the lock definition below. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, which will be me going live having lock talk with you guys. So all right, bye guys.